Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Jeannie. Thanks for tuning in. I'm going to be using the Natasha Denona Zendo palette. I'm using this for my eyes and I'm going to show you how I did this. Just using 4 colors for everything except for the mascara, even the eyeliner, using BK Beauty and Sephora brushes, and a very simple elegant look for 50 and over. Yes, we can use different colors. Yes, we can play with these eyeshadow palettes. And yes, we can look gorgeous with them. So let's get started. I'm going to keep the rose gold masks on my eye so it'll serve 2 purposes. It will hydrate my under eye and do the work that the serum is supposed to do, and also prevent any fallout from the eyeshadow palette from falling onto my skin and smearing all over. So I'm going to put on the Rare Beauty eye primer on my lids to bring out the color of the palette. And these eye patches are not sliding around, which I like. And I just use a little bit because being 59 years old, some of these eye primers are drying and can bring out the wrinkles on your lids. This one, although not hydrating, I don't feel it does that. It stays pretty smooth, but I don't use that much. Now I'm only going to use the Natasha Denona Zendo palette for my complete eye look except for the mascara. And I'm using BK Beauty brushes. So I'm going to use this color Balance in the crease. And I'm going to just show you one eye, not both. And I'm using BK Beauty brushes and Sephora brushes. Work my way up a little bit here, give a little ombre effect. I always like to go up a little bit here. It gives a quiet eye lifting look. Now I'm going to use the Aurora on the edge of my crease. Now I'm going to use this color Sensei on the outer edge of my lids. Now the color Calm for the inner part of my lid. I'm going to use the color Yama for the highlight under my brow. I'm going to use Mindful as an eyeliner. And all you need for that is a flat brush. This is, I think this is e.l.f. small angled brush. Flat, angled, and you can use any powder eyeshadow as an eyeliner. If you love the color, just wet it. One thing about using a powder for an eyeliner is that it's very soft. It's a very soft application and a very soft color. Very natural looking and easy and unforgiving. And that's it. Very easy. I'm going to use the Cali Ray Come Hell or High Water mascara. This is a tubing mascara. I used this once before. I wasn't that impressed, but I'm going to do it again. I think I had some clumpiness or fallout, but could have been me. I'm going to apply my mascara and I'll be back. So this is the finished look. I did the rest off camera, and I want you to know that I absolutely love this Natasha Denona Zendo palette. The colors are gorgeous. They're perfectly pigmented, and the powders are creamy and they stay put, and I absolutely think that they're gorgeous, and you can play with this. You know, it takes a little bit of practice, and you got to work it the way you want to, how it works on your eyes, which is what I do. I play with these eyeshadow palettes, and I want to show you what works for us women. I'm 59 years old. I want to show you mature skin, mature eyes, over 50. We can do this kind of stuff. These Wonder Beauty patches felt so nice, so hydrating on my eyes, and it really diminished any lines and wrinkles that I had. Not so much the discoloration that I have under my eyes, but this felt so good and it stayed put, so I was able to do my eye makeup with this on, which I love. The Cali Ray mascara, which is a tubing mascara, you know what I didn't like about it is it's very wet, and I find that the Blink tubing mascara is also very wet, so it takes a really long time to build it up, and that was kind of a pain. It took a while, and I'm quick girl. I like to boom, 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 you know. But I like how it turned out. It lengthened. It gave me volume. It lengthened my eyelashes, and it also didn't clump. It coated each lash, and it hasn't flaked off at all, and it's not going to smear because it's a tubing mascara. So when you wash it off, it's very easy. If you haven't tried a tubing mascara, you have to try it because you will love it. It will become your new mascara. And the one that I really like, my favorite is Hourglass. But if you want to try this is nice too, as long as you have patience and you take your time. Also, the Rare Beauty Eye Primer. I really like this. It's a very light formula, which is what I like about it. It's not heavy, it's not cakey, and it doesn't bring out the fine lines in my eyelids, which a lot of primers will do. I like all of Rare Beauty's products, honestly. If you want to know how I did my face and my lips, I will link that video below, but thank you for watching. If you've tried any of these products, please comment below and let me know. Please hit the subscribe button and the like button, and I will see you soon. Until next time, love you guys.
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, I know, you're bored.
But we're done. We're done with this video. We're done. The like button is
4,
the like button.
3.
Bye.